Today I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and a complete setup of your Epson EcoTank ET-2900 printer. You can also follow it for Epson EcoTank ET-2903 printer. Both has the same setup process. So let's start with the unboxing. So here we have one part here. So just remove it from here. This part we need to attach to the printer. That's leaflets. That's our printer. Remove the ink and the power cable. First we'll take it out. Power cable is here. So there are locks here. Unlock it. And then we can take them out. All the four inks are here. So that's our printer. These are the ink, and here we have the power cable and paper output tray. Paper output tray is to be installed separately. So let's start the setup process. First we will remove the protective tape from the printer. Remove all the tapes. Next is to connect the power cable. So that's the standard power cable. So before that, remove protective tape from the back side, and if you just lift it, you will see there is a more tape here. Just remove this as well. Now plug in the power cable at this end. Switch on the printer. You can lift little bit here and press the power button. We have to start the setup process on the screen. To start the setup, select your language and press OK. Press OK for next. It will ask you if you want to set up from your mobile device, but right now we are just going to do it from the screen. So click No. It will ask you if you want to participate in the customer research. To approve and reject, you have to press the proper button. For example, to reject, you can just press this button. Now wait for the printer. It says preparing. We will just wait for the message. It will guide us through the setup process. Next, you can scroll ahead. Press OK to proceed. Press OK again. So we are going to fill the ink. First we have to fill the black ink, and then we have to click on the proceed. So I'm just going to lift it from here. It will stand itself. Here we have to fill the black ink. Remove the ink from the packaging. Twist it. Open this. Lift it from here, and then you can just place it here. So you can see it has started to fill. That's the upper level. It should go up to there. I'm not going to fill it completely. You can do that. I just want to save the ink for some other reason. So right now I'm just going to remove it. So it's almost half, more than half it's filled. Close it. Now go to the screen. Press this button to proceed. Next is to fill the yellow ink. Open it. remove the cap and then place it here. Simply place it here and press it in. So I'm just going to remove it once it reaches more than half, but you can fill it completely. Close it, press this button again. Now fill the magenta, lift it, take the magenta ink, so I'm going to remove it again. On the screen, press this button again. Now we have to fill the last ink. Open it. Place it here. Again, I am just going to fill it up to same level like other, and I'm just going to close it. Next is to press and hold the information button. One, two, 3, 4, 5. Press this button to start the ink. It's going to take around 10 minutes and the ink will come through the pipes. If you want, you can leave the door open like this, or you can close it. So if you want to see if the ink is going through, you can just, it's about to finish the initial setup, so we can just close it, see it properly. Initialization is complete. Some ink is absorbed by the maintenance box. Click OK. Here we have the paper output tray which we can place here. So lift it from here and then place it here. Just press it and it will go all the way in up to here. Lift it again, then it will close. So that's the paper tray which we can slide out and just slide it in. Paper goes here, so just open this, adjust the blue lever, so just like that. Place the letter size plain paper. Press this button to proceed. You can improve the print quality, so we can just do it now. Press it here to start. And next it says is to place it for the alignment. So open the lid and place it there. Place it here like this, facing down on this corner. Press this button to start the scanning. Alignment is done. Press OK button. Next is to connect your printer with the Wi-Fi. Press OK. Once you press OK, it will display the main screen. You will see here copy. If you scroll ahead, you will see scan to computer option, and then to WSD, and here we have the other source and options. Go to the Wi-Fi setup and press OK. Select Wi-Fi, that is the first option. It will help you to connect the printer with the home Wi-Fi network. Press OK to proceed. On this screen, it will give you the options like Wi-Fi setup wizard and push button, other methods. Use the first method, Wi-Fi setup. It will give you the list of Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi from this list and press OK. Next is to enter the password. You will see a small keypad on the screen, so we just have to use it. For example, I'm just going to make the numbers, letters, all the options are there. To make it capital, we can press here and press OK. For the numbers, you can press again, it will give you the numbers. So this way we have to enter. So let's start it. For example, this one, and then press OK. Just enter the complete password. Once you enter the complete password, select OK and press OK button. Wait for the printer to connect with your router. It can connect to 2.5 or 5 GHz automatically. Setup is complete. Press OK. Press the home button and you will reach to the main screen. If you see the message for the update, you can just click on the OK to proceed and press OK to update. OK to proceed again, and yes, agree with the conditions. Next step is to add this printer to your smartphone for wireless printing and scanning. So let's do that while it's updating. Go to your smartphone. You have to download the Epson Smart Panel App. That's the app here. You can download it from the Play Store. Go to the Play Store, type in Epson Smart Panel. That's the app here, and then download and open this app. In the Smart Panel app, click on the plus button on the top. Would you like to check if the product is supported? Click no. Select connect to product already on Wi-Fi. You will see your printer, Epson ET-2900 series. Select it. Connection is complete. Press OK. Press OK again. That is our printer. On the top you will see we can switch off and switch on the printer from there. There is a power button. Also we have the estimated level of ink. We can start using it for printing, scanning, copy from here. That's all about the setup. Thank you.